Kia ora. Let's look at how to enrol online. The first step is to complete an online enrolment form via the website. You will need a valid email address to complete your online form. If you don't have one, you can create a free email address at domains such as Google and Microsoft Live. Use the enrolment button on the website to access the online form. The enrolment checklist outlines information such as details of your previous education, your National Student Number, NSN, and your Awanuiarangi student number, if you have enrolled with us previously. Also, be sure to check the entry criteria for the program you want to enrol on to ensure that you qualify. To access the form, select the Next button at the end of the checklist. Complete all the fields and select Next to access the following page. You can save your progress if you don't want to complete the form in one sitting. You can return to the form within 1 month via a link that is sent to your email address. During the online process, you can also upload a photograph of your birth certificate, passport, and previous qualifications. Providing this proof of identity will speed up the processing of your enrolment. It is important that you complete all sections on the form. You will also need to read and review the student contract, the terms and conditions of your enrolment, and the withdrawal information. You will need to tick the necessary boxes to accept them before signing your form. You can then submit your online enrolment form. A screen will then appear offering you a conditional offer of place on the program. If there are any issues with your enrolment, such as not meeting the entry criteria or enrolment criteria, we will contact you. If we need more information, or if you need to have an interview with a kaiako, we will be in touch with you by telephone or email. Otherwise, we will let you know the details of your start date, and we will send you an invoice if your program has fees. If you want to speak to us about your application, please ring us on 05 08 92 62 64. We look forward to welcoming you as tauira.